Hi there. Let's start by adding our image to the Google slide presentation. Go to Insert, Image. You can upload from your computer or drive photos by URL camera. I am searching one from the web. Insert. So while the image is selected, now click the small arrow next to the crop button. Here. Go to Shapes and click on the oval shape. Now click on the crop icon again and grab the rectangle on the edges. Drag them inward until they surrounded the image. Now let's do it. And here it is. The image is circled on Google Slide. So that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. And if you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please consider to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.